Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD Japanese yen. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. And what we can see here on the daily time frame is the rejection of the rising 20-day moving average around 156.30 mark. We can see also that hourly is building more like a consolidation, and there will be a chance for a potential breakout of this consolidation. I will say if we can see the break of 157.10 mark and hold above, there will be a chance for a further rally towards 157.70 mark, and then even towards the 158 mark. So pay attention to this potential breakout and consolidation of the hourly, which will be also a reaction upside from this 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, so far still consolidation. I still see potential for the downside movement in next period. So 67,000 mark is the next downside objective, but we also have 66,300. And of course, we have the area around this mid consolidation around 60,300 mark. A daily time frame, we have a consolidation less 10 days. But eventual rebreak of the support will be a very good sign for downside movement. On the dollar index, we can see that there was a downside reaction day from this previous swing high. So 105.15 is now short-term resistance. But on the hourly time frame, we can see that we're kind of changing behavior now. Even though there was a sell-off yesterday, we're still building higher lows, and the weekly is just holding, building consolidation around our rising moving averages. So there will be a chance for a higher prices and eventual retest of 105.16. And then if we can see the break of this 105.16, 105.20 and hold above, there'll be a chance for a retest of 105.70 and 106.35. On the gold market, we can see that there was a rejection of the rising 50-day moving average. You can see this red line here. But there was no significant power in this rejection, and eventual rebreak of 2,320 can be a good sign for a further drop towards 2,281. On the weekly time frame, we can see that it was just a very narrow week in terms of the range relative to the previous week. So this is also a possibility that we have this narrow range to remain like in this, to remain a very tight range, and then to see potential for the breakout next week. On the crude oil, we had quite a big rejection of our resistance, so that was the 80.85 mark, and now there is a chance for a downside movement towards the low support of this bracketing markets, which is around 76.70 mark. Hourly time frame now it's a little bit extended here, so we might see some reaction from buyers and then eventual potential downside continuation towards our short-term support. And on the NASDAQ 100, we can see that market is developing first lower low and lower high on the weekly after like 5 weeks in a row. We have a first lower low and lower high week to week speaking. And you can see that daily we've pretty much extended in the last couple of weeks. And there is a chance for, from my perspective, for a bigger drop in incoming weeks, and even let's say short term for the market to retest 18,300 and then eventual 18,000 mark. That'll be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day, and also one announcement that I will be on vacation from June 3rd until June 21st. And after that, I will continue, of course, with the regular analysis on the liquid markets. So take care and good trading. Wish you good trading. Speak to you soon.